So for a couple of months I've had my eye on a Lodge cast iron Sportsman's grill. Finally got one and decided to cook some deer steaks on it. So far I'm impressed with the use, so this video today is going to be about using the Lodge cast iron Sportsman's grill to cook some marinated deer ham steaks. What we'll be using in this video is our chimney lighter, Lodge cast iron grill, marinated deer ham steaks, and I've got some briquette charcoal, but you'll also see from other videos where I've got my homemade. I'll show you how to be able to make your own hardwood homemade charcoal. I've loaded up the chimney with the briquettes and my homemade white oak lump charcoal. Now we'll get it going on the side burner. All right, I get my coals using the side burner on my 3-in-1 combo Oklahoma Joe grill. I say that because there's a couple of reviews I've put in my channel as well on that. Feel free to take a look at what I think of the use of this grill. But some people get these started all different kinds of ways. This is the way I like to do it. So start the side burner going, and that'll get the chimney all set up. Coals are going at this point. We're going to go ahead and turn this off. Let those coals heat up through the chimney and then transfer them over to the grill. Coals are looking pretty good. We'll let those settle down for a while. Coals are looking pretty good. I'm gonna let them settle a little bit longer. That's a bit close to the grate. One thing about this is you can't, like a hibachi, adjust the grate up and down. So I'm gonna let it settle a little bit longer. That would end up being a little bit hot. While we're waiting, we'll talk about a couple of the features of the grill. So you've got the top of the grill, which is not adjustable. It's not like your typical hibachi from back in the 70s. So I watch very closely how close those coals are to the grill grate. You've got a loading and unloading door here. If you were doing a lot of cooking, you could throw coals in through that door. In the bottom here, you've got a draft. Controls how much oxygen is passing through, how hot your coals go. I'm leaving it wide open now as I wait for those coals to settle down some. There's a grate in there that does a pretty good job of separating the ash out and allowing that oxygen to flow up and through. It comes with a carrying handle. So this actually fits pretty neatly together, and you can pick it up and transport it. Obviously, of course, once it's cooled off, but it does make it portable. It weighs a ton, I'll tell you that. I bet you it's somewhere around maybe 20 pounds. So transportable, but you got to keep in mind that it's going to take up some space and some weight. While the grill is hot like this, I actually like to keep the seasoning a little fresh, and I just use some canola oil. And if you buy Lodge seasoning oil, that's what you're getting, is canola oil. So save your money, get some cheap cooking spray made with canola oil, 100% canola oil, same thing. And as you can see, it's reaching that smoke point and seasoning as it goes. All right, those coals are looking quite a bit better away from the grate, so I think we are ready to start cooking. Alright, I may have gotten a little hotter than I wanted to on this. As you know, with cooking deer meat, it's pretty tricky what temperature you go at. You want to cook it a little bit cooler than you would for regular steak. There you go. Venison ham steak. Made on the Sportsman's Grill. Again, please check out my other videos on the channel. And in those other videos you can see how I made the homemade white oak lump charcoal, as well as the review of the Oklahoma Joe offset smoker grill combination. Thank you for watching, and check out my other videos. To my other helpers here, I thought I'd get a little bit of video. He gets to taste the product, the final product. All right.